There are so many unique things to find on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, and some of them are pretty well known, like the portrait inside the Panhandle Hotel, which is a Barnabas T. Bullion, but he looks a lot like Tony Baxter. And then there's one of my favorite things in the queue, which is a real 10-foot tall stamp mill from 1880. It was used to process ore, and this is what it looked like on opening day, which, by the way, is when this Rainbow Ridge sign looked like this instead. Over in Rainbow Ridge, all these buildings are just reproductions of the originals, and the hardware store used to sell a stove that looks a lot like the one that's at the end of the Jungle Cruise. The rocks in the queue are actually real gold ore mine tailings from the Tropical Mine where the Apple Dumpling Gang was filmed. The purple rocks are more valuable because they cost $120 a ton versus the brown ones, which were just $80. But I don't know the value of this gold nugget. Set designer Pat Burke designed this crane, which is in every version of Big Thunder, and it used to have a crate with his name hanging from it, but now we just have this one instead. A little further on in the queue we see this sign, which points to actual real places in the attraction, like Coyote Canyon, which hides Fantasyland, Spiral Butte, and of course Dinosaur Gap. The bones in Dinosaur Gap are a reproduction of the ones that used to be found on the pack mule train, and there used to be a big splash here at the end, which Tony Baxter added as a tribute to Walt Disney and his original mountain.